Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're going to be looking at our double sockets. When you receive your double socket, it will come in the following packaging. You'll have your barcode explaining a little bit about the brand. You open the packet, you will receive your product, your instruction leaflet, and a packet of screws. If you remove the front plate, you'll have access to all the workings, the mounts for the product on your back box, and your regular screw. Then you just clip the plate back on, and there's your product. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit www.trendyswitch.com or give us a call.